Hello and welcome back to Tripoto. But tell me something, did that thumbnail scare you a little? I know what you're thinking. May in India? Isn't that like walking into an oven? Well, don't worry, because I've got the coolest lineup of the 7 best places to visit in May that will make you forget all about the heat wave and have you reaching for your sunscreen and shades instead. Number 1, Kerala. First up, we have God's own country, Kerala. Might not seem like the ideal time to visit with the onset of the off-season, but trust me, it's still a boatload of fun. Palm-fringed beaches, serene backwaters and a landscape so green it will make you think you stumbled into a fairy tale. Kerala's diversity makes it one of the most desirable states in the ultimate travel bucket list. Confused between hills and beaches? Go conquer both in Kerala. Number 2, Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Next up, Ooty, the queen of hill stations. If you're craving some respite from the scorching sun, this is the place to be. With its misty mornings, blooming flowers and picturesque tea estates, Ooty is like a breath of fresh air in May. And hey, who can resist a steamy cup of chai overlooking those rolling hills? Number 3, Coorg, Karnataka. Now, if you're a coffee aficionado like me, Coorg is your caffeine-fueled dream destination. May kicks off the coffee blossom season here, painting the hillsides in a sea of white blooms. But it's not just about the beans. Coorg is also home to mesmerizing waterfalls, lush forests and some of the warmest hospitality you'll ever encounter. So grab a mug and let's get brewing. Number 4, Leh Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Alright, so now we are heading to the top of the world, Leh Ladakh. May marks the beginning of the tourist season here as the snow melts away and reveals a landscape straight out of a postcard. Think towering mountains, crystal clear lakes and endless adventures waiting around every corner. From trekking to camping to just soaking in the breathtaking views, Leh Ladakh is an experience you won't soon forget. If you're liking this video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel so all our hot travel deeds reach you in time. Number 5, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Let's cool things down a bit with a trip to Shimla. May is the perfect time to explore this charming hill station with its pleasant weather and endless array of activities. Whether you're strolling down Mall Road, getting a history lesson at Vice Regal Lodge, or getting your adrenaline pumping with some paragliding or river rafting, Shimla has something for everyone. Number 6, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. If you're in the mood for some soul-searching and adventure, Rishikesh is calling your name. Known as the yoga capital of the world, May is the perfect time to find your zen while also getting your heart racing with some whitewater rafting, bungee jumping or trekking through the lush forests of the Himalayas. Trust me, you'll leave Rishikesh feeling like a whole new person. Number 7, Gangtok, Sikkim. May is an excellent time to explore Gangtok, the capital city of Sikkim nestled in the Himalayas. Known for its scenic beauty, rich culture and adventure opportunities, Gangtok offers breathtaking views of snow-capped mountains, serene monasteries and vibrant markets. You can also visit nearby attractions like Somgo Lake, Nathula Pass and Rumtek Monastery. Well, there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the 7 best places to visit in May in India. From the misty hills of Ooty to the serene backwaters of Kerala and all the way up to the majestic peaks of Leh Ladakh, India is bursting with incredible destinations just waiting to be explored. So whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure or a little bit of both, May in India has something for everyone. Pack your bags, leave your worries behind and embark on the journey of a lifetime. And hey, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to join our community of fellow explorers because the adventure is just getting started. Happy travels!